My name is Brian Barrera, Chief Operating Officer here at Trademark Plastics. I've been at Trademark Plastics since 2013. All we do is mold medical plastic components. We do some consumer products as well, but we do mostly 85% medical components. We have 6 of the top 30 medical device manufacturers at top OEMs as our customers. We have 6. So we have a huge, huge market share of the top OEMs. And that's what we do. We're an extension of our customers. Ever since we started becoming an extension of our customers, things have gone really well for us because that's what we are, that's what we do. We want to be able to help them with every aspect of their business and improving, growing their business as well. And that's what we're here for.
DELMIAWorks is a good partner of ours that we have internally here that we use as our ERP system. The great thing about DELMIAWorks is it is already a template for our industry and drives every department here that we have at Trademark Plastics. So within our departments, the more they're using it, the easier, the more efficient they're getting, and we're able to take on the excessive growth that we're experiencing right now.
Everything we do with DELMIAWorks, I mean, that's kind of our core, right? That's our infrastructure. And what we do with DELMIAWorks is we have at least 15 automated reports that are given to us every single day. So for example, we used to have a sticking issue. We had constant reports that shows why parts were scrapped and it was labeled under sticking. So we attacked that. And we saw this stuff because of DELMIAWorks, right? Because of those reports. So once we saw that, we're able to track now how much better we're starting to get at sticking through DELMIAWorks. And we also use it as a point of efficiency. So if a mold's not running as efficient, we'll get some notifications that show that, it's running down cavitation. And the way we use real-time monitoring from DELMIAWorks is, it'll show us if it's running in the green, the red, or the black, right? So the green is it's running efficiently. The black is it's running faster than it should be, and the red is it's running slower. So since we monitor it every day, if we see that something's running in red, that's an automatic flag to let our team know you got to watch out for this because we're really losing our efficiency on this. That means that we're losing costs internally, our profits going down by not running as efficiently, and also the customer might be getting late parts because of this. So it's a two-way thing. If they're getting late parts because we're not running the way we should be, that affects their supply chain. It's helped us a lot with customer communication as well. So if a customer calls and says, hey, is my mold running? We'll look up in 2 minutes, we can find out if it's running right away. And then we tell the customer, you know what, give us a few minutes, we're gonna go see what's going on if it's not running, right? If it's showing yellow, if it's showing down. So we'll go out right away and we'll be able to call the customer right away. We totally updated our infrastructure, our quality management system through DELMIAWorks. I mean, we changed everything. So if you go into our system, it has every process, every policy, every procedure on there. And it just tracks it so well. So we're able to pass our audits because we truly integrate our whole quality management system into DELMIAWorks. And what really helps us out is that when they come in, when customers come in, when ISO comes in, they ask us for how do we track all of our metrics, right? And in the whole quality management system, they want everything integrated, right? So they'll ask us, how are you capturing your quality management objectives? They're all in DELMIAWorks. And they're all tracked and they're all automated. So a report will come up, an automated report will come up through DELMIAWorks that shows how good we are on our metrics and if we're reaching our goals or not. I can't say it enough. DELMIAWorks has everything that we need here at Trademark. Just everything that we have, everything that we've built, everything that we monitor. I mean, there's just multiple facets that really help us out in the business, especially in a quality perspective as well.
As Trademark grows, our need for DELMIAWorks grows. Your brains of your operations, your brains of your internal organization as a whole is DELMIAWorks.